Hello everyone, this is Chiji from DesktopCoach and welcome back to another video. Today, we'll take a deeper dive into workbook properties. In the last video, we talked about freezing and unfreezing columns and rows and how to lock entire panes to improve our worksheet visibility as we scroll. Click the link above to check out that video. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the content. And if you do, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check out the description below for our Microsoft 365 giveaway. Alright then, let's get to it. Alright, so today we have a workbook with a set of properties. Now, setting up properties in your workbooks keep them organized, help establish document ownership, and makes them easily identifiable through searches. Let's go ahead and explore some of these properties. Using the table from our previous lesson, to see the workbook properties, let's go to the File tab, select Info. On the right-hand side of the window, we can see the workbook properties. Underneath the properties, we can see dates, people, and documents that are related to our workbook. Under Related People, we have the person that created the workbook, known as the author, and the person that last modified the workbook. This will be entered by the system. Let's make some changes here. In the Properties drop-down, we select Advanced Properties. A window appears bearing the name of our file, with multiple tabs carrying different information about the workbook. Let's start with the General tab. Here, we can see the file name, type, location, and size of the workbook, workbook timelines like when it was created or modified, and other attributes. In the Summary tab, we can make changes to various workbook properties. Let's start with the title. Since this contains financial information, I'll go with Financials 2001. You can enter a subject line if you have one. For the author, I'll enter my name, Chiji. To establish a sense of ownership within an organization or where a document has multiple users, you can enter a manager. I'll also go with my name here as well. Add a company name if you'd like to enter one. In this case, DesktopCoach. Category for this workbook, Expenses. Categories and keywords make it easier to find this document through searches. Using parts of the worksheet names as keywords, like mileage, April, or 2021, ensures that this document shows up in search results. You can also add a quick comment, like a short description. In the Statistics tab, we can see more document timelines, including when the document was printed, and other statistics like editing time and revision number. In the Contents tab, we see the names of the worksheets and named ranges in the workbook. This is another way to view worksheets and name ranges without making use of the worksheet tabs, Name Manager, or the name box. And in the Custom tab, we can enter new properties, define their type, and enter a value. Let's click OK and see what we have. You can click this button to show all properties. Click again to hide. Now, this is one way to keep workbooks organized while establishing ownership and improving searchability. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever we put out something new. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next lesson.